Hello students, so far we have discussed about Microsoft Excel 2013, some basic part, and insert, delete, changing columns, row, height, width, okay, typing. These are we have discussed earlier in these previous two chapters. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about the formatting in Excel 2013. In this we will learn font formatting, cell formatting, and number formatting, and last topic will be the date and time formatting. Okay, so let's begin with the first point, font formatting. So first we have to start Microsoft Excel 2013. Okay, so type here on the start menu, open Microsoft Excel 2013 and click here. Okay, now font formatting means we are going to learn home tab. Simply see, in previous chapter we discussed about the clipboard group. Okay, means home tab. In the home tab we have done clipboard group. Now in this we will learn font tab, font group, element group, number group. Okay, these are we are going to learn. We have already discussed about this cells group. Okay, but now these 1 2 3 points are very important in Excel. See, this font group is similar to the Microsoft Word. You learn about this. Okay, this is somehow it is also in Microsoft Word, but these two new feature is there. Okay, so let's start with the font formatting. Font formatting means it's a set of letters of alphabet and numbers written in a particular style. Okay, let's begin with the introduction of this point. For example, font format, this is called the font. Different kinds of fonts are available in this. Okay, so to understand it we are going to open existing worksheets. Okay, for example, this is our heading of the worksheet. We are going to change the font style. You can see here different font styles are available in each Microsoft Excel. Okay, what depends on your requirement you can change it. For example, I'd like this one. Okay, increase the size. So this is called the font size. Remember, you have to select the data before you apply the particular formatting. Okay, so now it is called font style. Now next is increase or decrease. This is called the increase font size, and this is called the decrease font size. If you click here, the font size will be increased, and if you click here, the font size will be decreased. Okay, so we are going to set as a 16. If you want to set as manually, select it and type here manual and press enter. Okay, this way you can increase or decrease the font style. After this we are going to learn about the bold and italic. See, this content is automatically we have made on a bold. You can see here B is highlighted because it is bold. Okay, now if you want to assign bold, you can also press Ctrl B for the bold. Underline, italic means it will be slopy in the text like this. So for Ctrl I for italic. Okay, and underline means it will set the line below this particular content. Double line or single line depends on the requirement. You can click, or simply you can also click Ctrl plus U. Okay, now all borders, if you select the borders, select it and click here. There are different ways to set a border, but we will use the all borders option like this. See, before, if you want to see this, go to view and deselect the grid lines. Now you can see grid lines is disabled, so you can easily see the all borders. Okay, now if you want to, if you want to show it, so click on no borders like this. But if you want to assign it, select the data, go to the font, borders, and select all borders. Now if you want to see grid lines, click on the grid lines from the view tab. Okay, so this is called the uh, all borders. Now next two important very thing. For example, if you want to set the background color of these cells, so click on fill and you can set the background color, depends on the requirement. Okay, and if you want to set the font color, means what the content we have written here, employee number, name, these are the content. Okay, and if you want to set the color to the content, you can use this A for the content. Okay, like this. Okay, so this way we can add the content. Then we are going to set the background color of entire sheet to the particular, yeah, select it, go to the cells and assign the specific color. And if you want to set text color, select the text color and set as the color. Okay, this way we can select the font group. So font group is a combination of fonts: increase font, decrease font, bold, italic, underline, all borders, fill, background color, fill the text color. Okay, these are called the simplest use of the font group. Okay, now after this we are going to learn we are going to learn next topic, that is called the background colors and borders. Okay, like this, if you want to set the background color, more than two background colors if you want, then select it, fill, and you can use the more colors. You can select custom colors also from here. Okay, depends your requirement. If you don't want it, press Ctrl plus Z. Okay, it will automatically deselect all the things. Okay, next we are going to learn the cell formatting. Okay, cell formatting, inside this we will learn alignments. So alignments, there are different alignments are there. First, top alignment, this is middle alignment, and next is bottom alignment. So there are two: vertical and horizontal. This is vertical alignment and this is horizontal alignment. Okay, for example, I am going to merge, I am going to set the, select it and merge, select the data and click on merge, and select the data and click on merge. Okay, same for next three: select the data and merge, select it, and then select it. Okay, now I'm going to type here same. Okay, okay, then now let's see what happens. First, vertical alignment. Vertical alignment, this is left. Okay, on the top. Next, it is in already it is in a center, and next it is in a bottom. Top, middle, and bottom. Now see, horizontal alignment, left, then next is center, sorry, next left, then this one is already in a center, and this one is already in a right. Okay, so top, middle, bottom, left, center, right. This is called vertical alignment, and this is horizontal alignment. Horizontal alignment. Okay, so two types of alignments: vertical alignments, horizontal alignment. Vertical alignment, top, middle, bottom. Horizontal alignment, left, center, and right. Okay, if you want to send, if you want to set is everything in a center, select it, select center. Okay, like this, so everything will be in a center. Okay, so this is called the alignment. Six types of alignments are there. Next topic is increase indent and decrease the indent. Okay, for example, I'm going to click here, and if you want to decrease it, you can decrease the indent, or increase the indent. This way we can decrease. For example, for this we can decrease it by pressing this. If you increase, like this, got it? So indent can be increased and decrease. Okay, so this is all about the indent group. Next we are going to learn about the orientation of the text. For example, here we are going to type here Professor Computer Center. Before that we will click on merge and center. Okay, now, okay, now text is in a normal form. We can orientate the text like this. See, like this, clockwise, anti-clockwise, vertical text, vertical up, down. Okay, we are going to move it to the center. And if you want to set manual, then you can set as here, like depends on your indentation. You can click here. Okay, so this is called orientation of the cell, right? You can also use decrease like this and set as okay. Then, so this is called the orientation. From the alignment group you can change the orientation and indents also. Next is wrap text. Wrap text means what? The content, if it is not fit into the particular text. For example, we are going to type here one text like as a computer center. Okay, but it is not fit on the particular wall column. So what to do? For this we have two options. Either you can merge these three columns or you can fit into the one by pressing wrap text. Wrap text will be transferred to the text to the new line automatically when it reaches the line. We can arrange it by pressing like this. Okay, so wrap text is used to set the particular content, whereas merge and center is used to merge the multiple rows or columns into one, like this. Select it, you can make a merge and center. Okay, but if you don't want to merge it, so select it and click here, so it can be unmerge also. Done. So this way we can do merge and center. Okay, and unmerge also you can possible like this also. Okay, so now we are going to move to the first action break. It is given on your page number 131. In this we have to type like this, and after this it should be look like this. Okay, it should be also be addition of two or three numbers. So let's use the our worksheet. So press remove everything. Okay, take a new worksheet and double click it, type chapter 8, action break number 1. Okay, press Ctrl S. Now what to do? First thing is we have to type same the data. So type here Wilson Public School. Okay, press the enter key, it will take a new line. Type here class and then type here number of students. Okay, now type here LKG, then UKG, then Roman capital I, capital, then IV, then V, VI, then V double I, triple I, IX, X, XI, then X double I, and then type here total. Okay, now after this number of student 352, 350, 362, 365, 380, 375, 387, 415, 406, 4112, 399, 407, 454, 452. Done. Now we have created this data. Okay, now what to do? We have to do some formatting like this. So increase the size of the window like this. Okay, and like this. Yeah, now first thing is we are going to make, we have to merge this A and B. So select it. Okay, and go to the alignment group and click on merge and center. Done. Now this, in this we have to fit the end into one column, so we will click on wrap text, so it will be automatically wrapped. Okay, off should be offside. Done. And both should be in the center, so select these both options so it can be in center format. Okay, now everything in the center, so select it and click on the center middle. Okay, now we are going to add a background color. Before that we will increase the font size here, bold it and increase the font size like this. Okay, yeah, like this both. Yes, again we can increase the size again. Done. So we have increased the size. Now we are going to increase the size of this also, so select it and type here 15. Yes, it cannot, it is not bold, but yes, we can change the font style also. Select it and select the font style as you want, like this. Okay, we can also change the font style for this also. Times New Roman, we are going to change by Times New Roman. Okay, done. And next is total, so select it, bold. Again it is in a center. Background color, again background color is black, red, and increase the size. Okay, like this. And we have to make a total, so go to the editing group, click here auto sum feature and type the enter. It will be automatically make calculation of this number. Now we are going to add the background color. To select it, go to the particular color and select the background color as you want. Okay, now set the background both cell, go to the colors and select the specific color. Now for this, select it and color the select a particular color like this. Okay, and also for this, select it and set the background color like this. Done. Now what to do, we have to assign all borders. So select the all data like this. Okay, yeah, like this, and click here all borders. Yes, and same way for this, select it and click here all borders. Okay, so this way we can create this topic by using these some options of wrap text, merge and center, background color, increase font size, decrease font size. Okay, these options we can use. Okay students, so this is all about the first action break of this chapter. Okay, okay, next topic we are going to start is number formatting. Okay, so let's begin the number formatting. Number formatting means this is numbered group. Okay, so in this we will learn general number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, and scientific. Okay, so let's start this by taking new page. Okay, new sheet, type here a number formatting, type here, then after it will be unformatted number, and then did number. Okay, first it is general, then number, then currency, then accounting, then after short date, then after long date. So now long date, then after time, percentage, fraction, and scientific. Okay, now you can see here everything in unformatted number are same. For example, 56789, 56789, 56789, here 2345678 2345678 9, then after here 56789. Okay, then long date 56789, then here 0.678, here 0.5678, here 0.25, and here okay 987654321. Okay, now we are going to format it. So it a wrap text, again it is wrap text, and it is long size. So increase the size it bold, and increase the font size like this. Number formatting type. Okay, then unformatted, and then formatted number. Okay, assign this into the center and middle. Then okay, now first is we are going to see the general means it will be remain as a same, it cannot be changed anything. Okay, so click here. Okay, like general it 56789, and click here general, so it is automatically set as general. Okay, now same 56789, and click on the number. Instead of this we are going to click on number. So you can see after this it has added 0.00, means this data is form of the number. Okay, now currency 56789. Okay, but we are going to transfer into the currency. So click on, and we can click on currency. You can see the rupee symbol, it is added, and also it has comma after the particular amount and with the decimal places. Okay, now next is we are going to learn is accounting. In the accounting, now we are going to learn accounting. In the account we are going to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now you can see, you have to see the difference between currency and the accounting. Now click here. See, both are similar. You can see both are similar, but in accounting the symbol and the numbers are have some spaces between them, whereas in a currency the symbol is exact next to the numbers. Okay, so these are the difference between accounting and the currency. Now next is sort date. So now click here 56789 56789 and go to the number format and click on short date. So it will automatically transfer to the particular date 24th 6 2055. Okay, this is the short date format. Now next we are going to learn 56789 and we are moving to the long date format. So click and click on the long date. So you can see both are similar, but in this the month is in the form of the character, whereas here month is in form of the number. Okay, so this is the difference between these two, long date and the short date. Now here we are going to learn about the timing. So 0.689, this is the general format and we are going to convert it into the time. So 16 means 4 o'clock. Okay, then we are going to transfer into the percentage 0.5678 and transfer into this. You have to select it first and go to the number format and click on percentage. So it will be added 56.78. Okay, now the fraction 0.25, it is the decimal places and we are converting into the fraction, so it will be 1 by 4th. Okay, in same way for the scientific, so 986 987654321 and convert it into the scientific. So click here scientific. So this is the scientific form of this number. So students, you should know about all these formatting types. Okay, and it is very similar. For example, if you want to assign this entire sheet, entire selection into the decimal places, so select it and go to the number or accounting, select it and type particular amount. It will automatically added the symbols with. Okay, and if you want to change the symbol, it can be changed also like this. For example, I want to set the dollar sign here, so select it. Okay, right click on that, format cells and go to the numbers, select the currency format or accounting, whatever you require. Select the particular dollar sign, whatever the dollar you require. For example, US dollar, if you want US dollar, select it and click on okay. After fraction, if you want to 2 digit, then set as 2. If you don't want any digit, select 0. Okay, and then click okay. Now type any amount, it will be automatically transferred into the dollar sign. Okay, this way we can change by number formatting. Okay students, so this is all about the number formatting we have learned. Now we are going to see the action break 2 on page number 133. In this action break, we have to create a bill. Okay, so this way we are going to create the bills. Okay, so let's turn set here this worksheet, control A, and we are going to delete everything. Okay, now type here server hotel bill. Okay, then after we have to type here order number, order number 2101, then number name quantity. Say I'm pressing tab key to move to the next column, price, and the here total, enter. Okay, now number 1 2 3 4. Okay, now first item name is dal, then palak, then butter, and then kulfi. Okay, now number of quantity here, one plate, here also one plate, here 4, and here 4. But remember, we have assigned here numbers, so it should be general. Yes, again it should be general, everything should be in form of the general. Yes. Okay, next 250, 260, here 40, here 70. Now we are going to make total. For to make a total, we have to do multiplication of these two. So here 250 multiplied by 1, it will be 250. Here 260. Here what to do, we have to multiply by 440. Okay, is equals to 4 multiplied by this, so it will be answer. Okay, now merge column C and D both. Okay, and click on merge and center and click amount to be paid, and here make total. So for the total, click here and press enter. It will automatically generate the bill. Okay, so this should look like this. So what to do? First thing is we have to very first we have to select it and type here server hotel bill. Okay, now we have to merge from A to, sorry, we have already written here. So select it and merge it to A to E. Done. And increase the size like this. Change the font style as you want. Okay, next order number is there, so we have to merge both A and B. So merge and center, align to the left. Okay, increase, hold it and increase the size like this. Okay, next one is number, so make it into the center, select it and assign the center, hold it, increase the size. Done. Okay, now again we have to make everything into the center. So numbers are in the center, this is will be in a left, this is also in the left. Okay, it should be in form of the rupee symbol. So select it. Okay, right click it, go to the format cell, click on accounting and select the particular rupee symbol. Okay, and after this we want two number decimal places, so select it. Okay, now amount also should be in the same format, so select it and go to the accounting and click OK. Done. Now increase the font size of all, so select it, type here 15. Okay, next we are going to set the background color. Okay, select it and set the background color and assign the font color like this for this order. Okay, set the background color specific and assign the color as white, text color is white. Okay, now select it and set the background color a little bit attractive. Okay, now assign this, select all and set the background color specific if you whatever you want, and amount to be paid, it is in again yellow, background color will be yellow. Okay, and increase this size and set as bold. Okay, and like this we can do it. Done. So assign all borders here should be all borders. Okay, and from view remove the grid lines. So we have generated the bills of same server of hotel bill like in this. Okay, so student, it is very easy to create it. Okay, as you if you want to create new, you have to change the name chapter 8 action brick number 2 and press Ctrl S. Okay students, so hope you understood this, how to make it. Do it yourself. If you have a computer, then do it yourself. Okay, and now next and the last point we are going to learn is date and time formatting. Okay, so for this we are going to take a new sheet. Okay, and go to the home tab. Okay, and home tab, here we have date and time formatting also. Okay, so whatever you can see in the time starting from the 0 to 12 a.m. okay, and p.m. also. So this is all about the number formatting and the date formatting. Okay, let's move to the action exercise of this chapter. Okay, so let's begin the exercise. First, fill in the blanks. Dash are right aligned by default. Numbers. The font formatting commands are present in the font group on the home tab. To make the data look bigger, click the increase font size. To apply background color to cells, click the down arrow of the fill color button. And if you want the data to be confirmed in a cell, click the wrap text button. Okay, Calibri, Times New Roman and Arial are example of font. True. To double underline the text, click the underline button twice. False. You can align the text at an angle in a cell. True. represents short form of date. False. Formatting can be changed the actual cell value. False. Which one is not present in the alignment group of the home tab? Bold. Merging adjacent cells into one large cell can be done by clicking this button in the alignment group on the home tab. Merge and center. Which one is not a vertical alignment? Left. Which one is not horizontal alignment? Middle. 12, 14, 16 are examples of font. Mention any two ways to handle long text in an Excel cell. Use wrap text from alignment group and you select the text, click merge and center and alignment group. How will you add a rupee symbol to a numeric value in a cell? For this, home tab, number group, currency and select rupees symbol. How will you add a background color yellow to cell A1 to D1? Select the row A1 to D1. Home tab, font group, fill color and choose the yellow color. How will you align the data to 45 degree in cell A1? Select the cell, go to the home tab, alignment group and orientation and select the particular 45 degree. Name any 5 formatting features available in font group on the home tab. For this, font, font size, increase font size, decrease font size, font color, fill color, all borders, underline, bold, italic. Okay. Name any 3 horizontal and 3 vertical alignments of data in a cell. So vertical alignments are top, middle, bottom. Horizontal alignments are left, center and right. Explain the working of increase decimal and decrease decimal button in name group of the home tab. So increase decimal button is used to add decimal places, whereas decrease decimal button is used to remove decimal places. Name all the buttons present in the lower row in the font group on the home tab. So in the bottom, bold, italic, underline, all borders, fill color and font colors are available. So students, this is all about the chapter number 8, formatting in Excel 13. Okay, after this you have to write the exercise in your notebook, and if you have a computer then do the practice, and also you can use the workout A B C D given on the page number 141 and 42. Okay students, bye, thank you.